Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Marhaban bikum. Welcome guys. In today's lesson, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we are going to be looking at some Adawatu Nafi, some tools of negation. We're going to be taking 5 tools today. So we're going to be looking at how to negate things in sentences. So for example, if I say sharibtu al-asir, that means I drank the juice. But if I wanted to say I did not drink the juice, how would I say this? We would add the ada ma. So we'd add ma, mim alif, before sharibtu. So ma sharibtu al-asir, it means I did not drink the juice. Lam is very similar to ma, and this is the second tool of negation that we'll be taking. Lam comes before a present tense verb. It makes the present tense verb majzoom, meaning it has a sukun on the end or whatever represents that. So it's in a state of jazm, and the meaning is the same as ma. So lam ashrab al-asir, I did not drink the juice. Do not get confused. The lam, it comes with a present tense verb, however the meaning is in the past. So the first one is ma sharibtu al-asir, I did not drink the juice. Lam ashrab al-asir, I did not drink the juice. The meaning is the same, even though one comes before a past tense verb and the other comes before a present tense verb. Now the third tool that we'll be taking is lan. Lan is also for negation, however in the future. Lan ashrab al-asir, I will not drink the juice. So it is to negate something in the future, and lan makes the verb mansoob. So it takes a fatha, or that which represents the fatha. So lan ashrab al-asir, the verb is now mansoob because of lan, and the meaning is I will not. So it's negation in the future. Moving on to the fourth type of negation, it is la, and la is used with a present tense verb. So for example, la ashrabu al-asir, I do not drink the juice, or la ashrabu asiran, I do not drink juice. La adhabu ila al-jami'ah, I do not go to the university. La aktub ad-dars, I do not write the lesson. So it is for negation in the present tense. And moving on to the fifth type, so the first 4, they all come before verbs. However, this fifth one, it comes before nouns, and it is Laisa, and it is also for negation. So for example, a sentence that is a nominal sentence, Muhammadun mujtahidun. Muhammad is diligent, or Muhammad is hardworking. If we wanted to say the opposite, i.e. he's not diligent, he's not hardworking, all we have to do is add Laisa. So Laisa Muhammadun mujtahidan. Muhammad is not diligent, or Muhammad is not hardworking, and it will change the khabar in the sentence to become mansoob. But bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, this part, it becoming mansoob, we'll study that in more detail in some future lessons bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. If you have any questions about today's lesson, please let me know in the comments below. So we took 5 tools. We took ma, we took lam, we took lan, we took la, and we took laysa. Please repeat the video if you need to do so. As always, fill in the link in the description so you get a copy of today's lesson, and please revise the lesson. It's very important that you master what we take in these classes, as all of this knowledge is essential. I'm giving you the bare minimum that you need in order to help your conversational skills and your understanding of the Arabic language. I'll see you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.